Okay, the first report that we're going to be looking at is assessment methods. So I need you to go to your dashboard in Atlas Rubicon, and over the top you are going to hover over reports, and once you're there, pull it down to assessment methods. This report is going to allow you to gain some information about the different types of assessments that are given to students. So you could run this report at any grade level for any content area. So if you wanted to look at grades above you or below you to see the types of assessment that students are being exposed to, you could do that. You're going to notice right now that there are over 8,000 assessments that are being pulled into this report that made up this pie chart. That's too many for us to look at, so we need to begin to filter that down. So the first thing that you would do is to choose what content area you're going to be looking at. So I'm just going to choose English Language Arts 6 through 12. Then I would want to narrow it down even more by selecting a grade, and so I could look just at 8th grade. And then because I want to make sure that it is only pulling reports that might be from my map, I need to make sure I filter it even more. So I need to go to Prairie Point and my grade again, my subject, because there could be some courses out there that are pulling English Language Arts standards into their class that are not literacy class. And then I need to choose where I want it to come from. So we do have information you can pull from a district map. You might want to choose a building level map because that would include both common formative and common summative information. So I'm going to go ahead and choose building level, and then you press submit. You're going to notice that your pie chart comes up and it displays 22 different assessments that match that filtering information. If you wanted to arrange it as a bar graph or a pie graph, you could. We also can arrange it as a list. And you're going to see here that it gives our different assessment methods, and it'll tell you how many standards are being assessed and then how many different assessments they appear on. You can open up the plus box and it will let you filter it even more with formative and summative, and then this has some common summative, so you can kind of get a cross-reference there. If you want to look at where that assessment is being given, you can click right here on that assessment number, and it'll pull up from the map where that assessment is being given. So that particular test is the trimester 2 post assessment, which is in the reading district map, and it's got the link right there. So if you actually wanted to see the actual assessment, you could be able to click on that and see that also. That is how we run an assessment methods report.